Just steps from Legoland California sits the Legoland Hotel. Today, we will be showing you inside our pirate, fully themed balcony room. Room booking at the Legoland Hotel can be a bit confusing when it comes to the various room types and fully versus partially themed. We hope today gives you an idea of what our pirate room looks like and what will be the best room for your family. Within the Legoland Hotel, there are 6 different themes available. There are some of the newest LEGO themes with the LEGO City and LEGO Duplo rooms, some of the classic themes including the Pirate and Adventure theme rooms, and the LEGO Friends and LEGO Ninjago themes to round them all out. The Adventure and Pirate theme rooms have 2 tiers of rooms, themed and fully themed. The main difference of these rooms was in the king bed area of the room. The fully themed rooms had more decor and aesthetics to really bring out that theme. These 2 different classifications, themed and fully themed, were also available in balcony rooms. The other newer themed options, including LEGO City, LEGO Duplo, LEGO Ninjago, and LEGO Friends, were all fully themed. The cost difference between the selected themes did seem to vary depending on the time of year, but on a consistent basis. For larger groups or just families desiring additional space, there are also junior and family suites in the various theme categories. Now it's time to show our pirate fully themed balcony room. Before going into the room, it is important to note the location of the balcony rooms. A quick glance of the resort shows that most of the balcony rooms are towards the end of the resort, so if you book one of those rooms, you will be walking a little bit. Something else to note, it is easy to tell when the regular theme rooms change to the fully themed rooms because even the hallways become more decorated. There are also these nice torches outside the room that contribute to the nice pirate theme. Inside to your left as you enter the room is the kids hangout and sleeping area, so adults can keep out. This space will be a great spot for your kids to relax when they are not at the park or checking out the rest of the hotel. The bunk beds may cause some conflict with multiples because how will they decide who gets the upper and who gets the lower bunk? There's also a trundle bed to allow for up to 3 kids to sleep in here. Both the upper and lower bunks are equipped with a reading light that looks like it's from a pirate ship. The kids also have their own TV and some floor space for LEGO building. Some LEGO sculptures really make this a fun space that will help add to the experience. Every room does come with a bucket of LEGO bricks to do some building during your downtime. Directly across from the kids area is the safe for the scavenger hunt. During your stay, your kids will have to complete a scavenger hunt through the lobby and be rewarded with the safe code for their very own LEGO set. As you move down the hallway towards the back of the room, you will find some hanging storage as well as some shelves on the bottom. There are also a few more drawers at the end of this area, a safe, and the ice bucket, which was cleverly themed as a minifig head. The room also does have a mini fridge. There are microwaves located in the hallways by the ice makers. Theming does not skimp out in the bathroom. There's fun wallpaper and some more LEGO statues on the walls and even the ceiling. All the standard bathroom amenities as you would expect are included. A few extra thoughtful features for the little ones include a child-sized toilet seat and a step stool for the kids to wash hands without grown-ups' assistance. The king bed area is where the additional fully themed touches are noticeable. We had wraparound pirate themed wallpaper that really helped to immerse you in the pirate space. The king-size bed was comfortable, but just having the additional area was nice to be able to have the lights on when your kids did go to bed. There's also a dresser so you can unpack your clothes and settle in for your time at the hotel. Next to the bed was a tablet that had different information and features. Honestly, texting your virtual concierge from your personal phone through the Legoland app if you needed anything worked just as well. Lastly was the balcony space, which was a pretty nice addition. We honestly spent our mornings waking up and relaxing before hitting the park for the day. We did also sit out there at night after our kids went to bed. There is an airport nearby, so one night we did have a stretch of about 30 minutes with lots of plane traffic. That's about it for the Pirate fully themed balcony room tour. Be sure to check out our other Legoland videos. I have a complete walkthrough of the Legoland California park to give you an idea of just all the awesome rides build areas, and playgrounds inside. Coming soon will be a Legoland Hotel overview with amenities and things to know. Those videos will be in a link in the description. Be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our family fun adventures, and be sure to enjoy your own adventure.